In the beginning, people tend to charge less because they can't believe the numbers. I look at it as the money I'm losing because this person's taking my time, and you never get your time back, too. Consider your time your life. You know, in the hourglass, the salt in there, that's all you have is that salt. That's your life. You got to value yourself higher. The older you get, the less you have, the higher of the value you should put on yourself. You're not going to want to waste your time on people that don't want to spend money. And that's a good attitude to have, especially when you're young. If you did that while you were young, you'd be filthy rich. You just, in your mind, you don't think you can do that. And a lot of people do everything for free, thinking they're being a nice guy when they're young. And the customer doesn't even care. Higher class people don't like hearing those guys talk. They know everything and they do it all for so cheap. Guys that want to spend money and have money, they don't want that kind of a guy. They want someone that's going to charge them and fix it and warranty it, and they look professional and they're nice. They're not looking for a good price. They're looking for someone that doesn't sound like they're full of crap. And those young guys that try to say, you're putting in a Wayne Dalton door for $5 grand, I would have done it for 1,500 bucks. You know, I get people saying this stuff. What's your point? Basically, you're working and doing the job for less. That's not something to brag about. They think it's how hard you work, and they think they're going to get some award for how many they do and all that. And I thought that way too when I was younger. And I look back, I feel like I wasted a lot of time and money doing things for nothing, you know, when I was younger. And I still was making good money at the low prices, but before I would do 3 or 4 jobs on the way to the job, I'd hardly charge anything. But I would never work like that to begin with now, because time is valuable now. I'm not into running around trying to do everything and having all that stress. People that are retired, they want to do this. It's a great business. You still get paid incredible amounts of money. It's real easy. And you don't have to spend your whole day there. So you can just go do it and then come home and do something else with the rest of the day. That's the amazing part, is people just keep calling you and you can't believe it. So I just jumped in it, and I'm still making incredible amounts of money, and I'm doing it. There's a lot of people with that attitude too, that do what I'm doing, and they make a lot of money. If you want to be that way, you got to do it. Whatever you do, whatever business you get into, you're going to have to do something. I'm telling you, this business doesn't have that much. I can tell you how to work right out of your truck with your cell phone, walking around getting calls. It's an easy business to run, and you don't have to pay anyone if you do it yourself. If you want to get bigger and advertise more, then you can start hiring people and putting them in trucks, and you don't even have to work. They're all out making you money. You can hire somebody to answer the phones, and they just dispatch them, and your bank is getting filled up with money. You can work towards that, but I actually did it that way for years, and now I'm back in a truck. I can't believe I ever gave this up. It's so relaxing. I have so much free time. I don't have to pay any of that payroll or all the other stuff that I had to pay before. So anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Go there, get signed up. You could do whatever else you're doing now, but you'll see you'll gradually get into this, and you won't want to do what you're doing at all ever. I promise you. All right, talk at you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.